Hi, this is Rajavil. Now I'm going to take as concept is HTML concept. HTML concept clearly defined each and every tag to you because of it's a very important to develop to web-based application to develop build for this web-based applications. So web-based applications interact with this full stack development, not only full stack development. Lot of web-based application we can interact with HTML cases like internet application. Next one is HTTPS, HTTPS, HTTP, FTP. Lot of services mingled with HTML. Without HTML tag, we can't do any web-based application itself. Okay. So next, if you want to work with a web-based application, means HTML needed and CSS needed. Next one is script needed. Next one is Bootstrap needed. Next React Match needed. So all those information much need for this from the scratch it means by default called as HTML cases there. Okay, let me explain one by one so properly. Okay, so first I try to open command. So open to command itself. Next cd full stack is there. Full stack existing folder is there. Just I open it full stack. Next one is cd HTML tag na. Okay, cd means change directory, HTML is open. Next I try to open this visual code. Code space dot is there. When you give this code space dot means it's a shortcut for visual code opening. See, got it now? Visual code opening. It's one second, it's opening. Open now. Now I try to create one file. See, this is a new file, biz.html. So if you want to work with any HTML cases means some name along with you can store some name along with .html. That's what is going to working in this browser cases itself. Okay, is created. Next, HTML means what? HTML means hypertext markup language. That's called as HTML. So first, I try to okay, this is the HTML tags. So HTML is hypertext markup languages na. So hypertext markup language completely depends on your tag base itself. Okay, tag base itself. First I try to save this code. Next I try to run this code. Open with live server. Open with live server. Okay na. This is your output screen. This is input screen. This is called as output screen. Okay, this is called as output screen. Output screen and the first is come out for from the code to browser. Okay, that I'm going to explain one by one. So hyper means is nothing but clearly hyper is nothing but less than symbol is an less than symbol greater symbol called as a hyper, which means is completely tag based itself. Tag based itself. That's called as hyper. Text means we want to fill something, na, that's called as a text. Na, text. Markup means open tag to close tag means markup. Close tag means called as a markup. Okay. So hypertext markup language. Language means set of instruction we should follow. Clear? That's called as a hypertext markup language. First, it should contain a number of elements. Is the first element tag is HTML. Next element tag is head is next body is there. Okay, lot of tag based na. So here see HTML is open to close it. Head means head property is going to display. Head property is going to display. Inside of the title is also is the title. See document is the na. Document means this title comes under document cases. Okay, title cases. Next one is head na. So I try to put this heading tag. First one is heading tag example. This is a JavaScript, sorry, HTML command. Heading tags. Okay, here heading tags h1 is there. Okay, h1 is here. Next one is h2 also is there. H2, h3, h4, h5, h6 also is there. So see the difference. I will explain the one by one. H2 is there. Next one is s3. So see the difference. What's the difference there? So H6, H5, 4, okay, 3 to 1 like this. Okay, see the difference. This is called as a heading tag. Heading tag like this. Next one is I'm going to try to open this. So mark you tag, mark you is used for this flying tag na, ME or mark you, you know, best right. This is working na. This comes in mark you tag. So I want to improve my mark you tag font size means use the font color equal to green, green, got it. So here output is a basis scrolling. Okay, next one is a font size. Font data tag, color is a coordinate. Okay, na color is a coordinate. Size also one kind of coordinate is got it. So this is the basic things. So next one is table tag. Next one is a table tag. Table tag is a very easy tag. It's one important tag in HTML cases. So first I try to use for the table. This is not HTML5, HTML tag. Okay, table is the right. Next one is table. Table content inside of this HR is TR is a TR. Table content instead of the TR on tag is there. Next one is a TD. TD means table data or table descriptions there. Table data or table descriptions there. Got it? So output is there na. But if you're going to check with it, this is not a table format. There's not a table format like that. Okay. How going to implement your table tag means? So goes a table inside the table tag and border. Some properties then border is a 2, align align equal to center like that, center. Next cell padding, cell spacing. Got it? So border is a 2, border is a 2 pixels. What is the thickness here? Next one is align is a center here. Cell padding is a little bit thickness is there. Next one is cell spacing. Give me some space between these two columns, right? Like that you are using that. Okay. This is example thing. Next one is I want to create again one more row means just put it at tr tr. Next one is a td na td right. Similar data we can input here. So serial number na 1 right. Next one is td. So welcome is some kind of name, some name. That's it. Whatever I can put it. Just assign the data. Okay, got it. So likewise you can implement like this. So next one is tag. Here body is the right body. BG color. BG color is na. BG color means background color. Maybe yellow. Just try to one raw colors. Work na. Or else you try with RGB. Or else working with some coordinate species. Okay, let me explain later because of it's going to give to use very dry model to you. Okay, so the next one is go for tables. Okay, na Next simple tag is one image tag, img src, src equal to source, src equal to source is the source na. So here already I have some tiger image, so tiger dot png. Next one is got it. This is a tiger farm. So it seems like that there's a very large amount of data. It seems like that large images. So how going to reduce that? Simple thing is you go here, he high equal to under. Now got it now? See, this is information. Suppose this is okay for you, right? So suppose you try to put background. I want to print this background completely means so next one is the body. Background. Background na? The image path is tiger na? That's it. It should work on the background. You got it? This is expected from HTML cases. Okay. Any doubt up to this? Okay. Next one is I go for with open with the next one of the things. One more registration page. .html. This right. So I try to connect this more than pages by using anchor tag. Here href hyperreference refresh it. Where let's click here na, right? I try to click is open next page. This is .html, correct? So that comes in anchor tag. This comes in anchor tag here. Go on the register page. It's .html. So shift it's simple enter. That's it. It will open na. It will open arrow track like. Now I try to create for register page. Before that, I want to use for the table. This comes under HTML tag only. HTML tag and HTML5. So table tag is there. Next tr tag is there. Next td tag is there. Username. Okay. Username na. Next one is td input type text to name equal to txt. Got it? So now try to refresh the code. What happened? You got it now? This is. So now we want to do some more alignment is there. So you want to do some more alignment is there. So the alignment table alignment much needed for the table alignment. Okay, go the table and the align. Got it? So this comes into this page. Okay. Here, next one is same TR. Next TD password na. Next TD equal to pass. Only we need some button na. So that's what I'm use. One more TR TD input type submit is one kind of button. Well equal to submit. Next one is the reset button is there, which needed. Got it? Reset means clear the data. Reset means nothing but using for this, clear the data. Of the body, you must use this form tag. Form tag. Okay. This form tag must be closing. Once existing the after the table, you want to close this form tag itself. Now clear. So this is exactly HTML simple concept. Wrong data. Clear. This one. Okay. Thank you.